Gravy goes on, baby. Gravy goes on. What? Who wants some? Who wants some already? Talk to me, guys. Who wants some? Huh? Who wants some? Feel me? A bomb chicken fried steak dinner, man, right here on Dad's Kitchen, man. So pay attention, man, out there, man. But this is a one of a kind, man. I got my own secret, my own twist, man. So stay tuned, man. I know it's been a minute. I've been gone, man, MIA, man. But I bet y'all thought I was gonna stay gone, but I'm back. And I ain't falling off, man. Not Dad's Kitchen, not right here on the Kareem family, man. So if y'all new here, like, subscribe, comment down below, and share this video. And I'm gonna wash my hands and we gonna get into this. Get on! Man, 3 long weeks, man. You know, I ain't whipped up nothing, man. Vacation and then, you know, trying to make up time, man. You know, go have fun like everybody else doing, man. Sometimes you gotta take a break, man. This stuff get hectic, man. A lot of people think it's easy, man. If it's that easy, I want y'all to try it, man. It's, you know, YouTube is not easy as people think it is, man. I'm trying to tell you guys. So, you know, try it if you don't believe me. Get over here. So anyway, check this out. This is what we gonna make. We doing cube steak. That's for the chicken fried steak. You need some flour, buttermilk, all right? And then I'm gonna go to the Voila cabinet, guys, and show y'all what we working with on the seasonings. You know what I'm saying? For those that's new here, the Voila cabinet is right here, man. The seasonings track, right? That's my cabinet, man, where I keep all the secret stuff, you feel me? So anyway, ain't no secret to my people, man, but those that's new here, you guys know what the Voila cabinet is now. Like, subscribe, comment down below, man, cause Dad is the king of all kitchens right here on Dad's Kitchen, man. Nobody does it better, man. I'm about to get this meat seasoned up, and I'll be back to y'all in a minute when I break the season right there out that Voila cabinet. Hey. Now, what we gonna do here, guys, right? What we always do right here on Dad's Kitchen is we rinse our meat off. So, you want to rinse this cube steak off, right? Okay. Throw it on that cutting board or whatever you're going to season it on. And we're going to get busy right here on Dad's Kitchen. Baby, nobody does it better. Now, so now, what we're going to do, we're going to Lawry's it up, right? Okay, to your taste. Garlic or garlic salt, either or. Little onion powder, right? Flavor. Cayenne pepper. Okay, why? Because it's gonna make it a little dark. Okay, you want that pretty color on your coating of your flour of your, you want the pretty coating, guys, of the crunchy crispiness of that skin, lovely skin that it's gonna prepare. So garlic salt after the Lawry's again, right? Onion powder, right? Cayenne pepper. You don't have to use cayenne pepper if you don't like hot stuff. I like a little spice in my life. Don't know about what y'all like, but if you do, go ahead and use some. So now, guys, that's simple, right? Now, what I want y'all to do, I want y'all to get 1 egg, right? Crack him in a bowl. Now, 1 egg, right? Now, if you don't have buttermilk, use heavy whipping. Right? Buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, use heavy whipping. If you don't have heavy whipping, man, use some regular milk, man. It's all good. Okay? Now, this right here is going to make that crunchiness of that batter y'all about to see. Okay? Go ahead, whisk this up, or use a fork if you don't got a whisk, whatever you want to use, man. Okay? So, that's that, right? Grease over there getting hot. What I want y'all to do, grab that flour, right? Grab the flour. Pour the flour in the bowl, right? What y'all gonna do on this? Pay attention. Gotta pay attention, guys. Excuse me. Gotta pay attention on this where you won't miss out. This is very important, guys. This part right here is very important. So pay attention to this after the seasoning. You got your batter, right? Now, what I'm gonna need y'all to do, okay, is dip this. Matter of fact, let's cut this down a little bit. Let's cut this down a little bit, guys. Let's cut him down a little bit. Okay? There. Now, what we gonna do? See that? We're gonna go batter, right? Check me out, batter. Y'all with me? Flour. All in there, get it all in there. See them little holes? They got a little machine at the meat market that they roll this steak and make it cube steak like this. So, you see that, how thick that is? Man, we're gonna go on and double and wash it, wash it again, man. Why not, right? Why not? Why not, right? Now, this one is prepared. We're gonna throw a little more flour on him. On both sides. Bam! You want it crunchy, man. Just pay attention. We're dropping that in the grease. Y'all hear that? Let me show y'all. Excuse me, guys. I'm gonna show y'all. Excuse me. Get over here. Look at that already. Look at that. You can tell it's gonna be nice and thick. And you just want to cook that, guys, on what? About 4 minutes, 5 minutes on each side, depending on how brown, golden brown you want it. So like I said, egg wash, right? We finna drop another one in there. Flour. Y'all with me? Wait till y'all see this gravy. Y'all think, okay, that's easy, anybody can do that. I bet y'all anybody can't do this gravy I'm gonna make. I bet you anybody on YouTube, gravy ain't gonna come out bomb looking as mine. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. I guarantee you, anybody on YouTube, I put money on it. That gravy ain't gonna come out looking delicious and bomb as mine after I'm done with it. So stay tuned, guys. I'm about to cook this. Like I said, about 4-5 minutes on each side. And we're gonna show y'all the pretty golden brownness of this chicken fried steak right here on Dad's Kitchen, man. Nobody does it better, man. Hit them likes, hit them likes, hit them likes. Share these videos, man. Let's start getting some likes on these videos, man. I'm dropping videos, we dropping videos, family videos, pranks, all that, man. Family vlogs, all that. We got it all, man. The Kareem Family Channel. Check us out, man. Subscribe now. Alright, I'll be right back to show y'all the finished results of that golden brown chicken fried steak. 4 to 5 minutes on each side. On the medium high. Peace. And guys, this is how you want your fresh out. This is how you want it. You see that? Bam, just like that. Beautiful, right? Come on, man. Talk to me, guys. Look, fresh out the grease. Bam, right? Now, what we gonna do now, guys? We are about, let me turn this fan on, sorry guys. What we about to do now, this part right here is the magic of your chicken fried steak, guys. That looks good, don't get me wrong, I can eat it just like that and I'm sure y'all can too, but it's all in the gravy, baby. Just like my Uncle Chico say, it's all in the sauce. Nah, it's all in the seasoning, baby. So check it out, man. I'm about to whip this gravy up. I'm gonna use the same grease that I'm using now, but I have to pour a majority of this out. So you wanna just make sure you have enough to, you know, put about 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of flour in there, man. So just a teeny bit of grease, man. So I'm gonna dump this grease out and I'll be back at y'all in a minute. Peace. So now you wanna have about this much oil in there, guys. You see that? About that much oil. That's about probably 2 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons. And I don't do no measuring, guys, so just pour like maybe 2 tablespoons of flour. Okay? Now that's how you're gonna do that, right? So what you wanna do is you just wanna stir this up, right? It's gonna be a gravy for y'all. We're gonna make this roux so bomb and delicious. So bomb and delicious. Right here, we wanna put your seasoning salt, right? We wanna go with a little onion powder, right? This is your gravy you're doing this to. You wanna go a little cayenne pepper. If you choose, no, we ain't gonna go cayenne pepper. Yeah, let's go cayenne pepper. How about, why not, right? Yeah, right? Just a teeny bit, right? Now, little garlic, right? So, now this is my favorite that I always cook with, guys. And if you guys been watching me, y'all know I use the fresh garlic. Got to put some of this fresh garlic up in there. And just stir that on up in there, man, right? Stir that on up in there with this flour and all that good seasoning, right? Now, what you want to do is you want to get some heavy whipping. You want to pour a little heavy whipping up in there, man. Okay? Listen to the sound of that. Watch how gorgeous this turned out, guys. Watch. It's already incorporating and turning like a, oh my goodness, man. Guys, watch. And watch how thick and bomb and delicious this gonna be. You guys gonna thank me for this, man. I can guarantee you that. So we wanna cook this gravy. Taste it. Now we're gonna cook that gravy for about 2 minutes tops. And we're gonna get back to y'all, man, and show y'all the finished results right here on Dad's Kitchen, man. Nobody does it better, man. If you're new here, like, subscribe, comment down below, share this video, man, because it's going down. Dad, the king of all kitchens, man, does it again, man. Leave a comment if y'all want me to whip up something, because I'm anything you want, man, I got you. Alright? I'll be back in a minute. So y'all with me? Y'all see that bomb gravy, right? Come on, man. Come on, watch this, watch this. Look. Who messing with me, man? Get out of here, bro. Get out of here, man. Come on, bro. I'm about to throw this on, and I'm about to show y'all what's really going on. How it's gonna turn out on the final results, man. And we're gonna take a bite out of crime like we always do, because I know y'all wanna see this one. I'll be right back. Gravy goes on, baby. Gravy goes on. What? Who wants some? Who wants some already? Talk to me, guys. Who wants some? Huh? Who wants some? Feel me? Huh? Let's put a little corn on the side. You know what I'm saying? Let's put a little corn on the side. You know what I'm saying? To make it even look more delicious. Huh? What about a little mash? Little cheesy mashes. Huh? What about a little cheesy mash? Okay? Y'all want me to throw some gravy on that too? No problem. Gravy on the mashed potatoes, man. Come on, man. Now, is y'all with me, man? I'm saying my grace. I'm about to dig into this, and I'm gonna show y'all how bomb and delicious this lovely meal came out right here on Dad's Kitchen, man. Cause let me grab the hot sauce out the Walla cabinet. I got to have hot sauce. So anyway, I'm gonna bow my head for a minute. I'm gonna say my prayer. Amen. Come on, man. Y'all want a 360 of that? Huh? Let me show y'all, man, cause I don't think y'all know what y'all. I need a thumbnail of this. Look at that. Come on, baby. Huh? Come on, man. What? 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 Where y'all at? Where are y'all at? Who wants some? Come get a bite of this. Anyway, guys, check it out. We're going with the we're going with the hot sauce. Already said my prayer. You hear that crunch? Hear that crunch?
Yeah.
Tell me y'all don't hear that crunch. You could hear it. Man. Huh? God. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. This food is so good. It's hurting me. This food is so good. It's hurting me. Try this meal, man. Another lovely prepared meal from Dad's Kitchen, man. Like I said again, if you're new here, like, subscribe, comment, all the good stuff, man. And don't be a hater, man. Don't be a hater. Hit the like button, man. Hit the like button. I'll see you on the next one, man. Love, peace, and happiness. I'm out of here. Peace.